In agriculture, how can professionals complete more tasks at a lower cost? Uses optimized flight route algorithms that allow the MG1P series to increase working efficiency by up to 20%. A 5-meter spraying width lets the MG1P series cover an average of. For added assistance, dual searchlights help ensure safe operation in low light. Traditional operation plus life. Leakage-proof nozzles can be started or stopped in just half a second. Flow closed loop control technology increases spraying precision. The MG1P series provides multiple solutions for agriculture applications, benefiting users with efficiency and reliability.